saw your back from my space. I just woke up funny here with your sad look upon your face. I should have changed this stupid luck. I should have made you leave your key. If I know just 1 second you'll be back without me. Go now, walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one we tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did I crumble? You don't think I laid on a high?